Hello, this is Eric at the Prince George Ford Pre-Owned Supercentre, and we're taking a look at the 2015 GMC Sierra 1500 in an SLT trim and powered by a 5.3-liter V8 engine, providing you with plenty of power for towing, hauling, and 4x4ing, coming with running boards down below so you can have an easier time getting in, and a soft-top tonneau cover on the back to keep your belongings covered and protected from the elements. You've got some nice accessories there, and freshly detailed, so it's looking nice and clean. But let's take a look inside. And first, looking at the back seat, you have seating for three, spaciously and comfortably with a nice full leather interior. In the middle, you have fold-out armrests with two cup holders, and you can flip these seats up and out of the way to accommodate any other cargo you might want to put back here, with a 12-volt in the middle and two cubbies here. This truck does have a remote start, so no need to go outside on those cold mornings to warm up your vehicle. And looking in, you have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks. You have two memory buttons for your power adjustable driver's seat, and I believe also your mirrors to go with that. And you have a premium Bose sound system in this truck, so your music's going to sound pretty decent. And now sitting in the truck with it running, you can see it's sitting at 123,318 kilometers. And moving down to the steering wheel, on the right-hand side, you have your hands-free phone controls, as well as your controls for your center info screen here, where you can look at your Trip A info, your Trip B info, your fuel range, your oil life, your tire pressures, fuel economy, trip timer, speed limit, engine hours, transmission fluid, trailer brake controller, off-road status, digital speedometer. And then moving on to the left, where you have your cruise controls, I believe also with that looks like pre-collision assist, and heated steering wheel so you can keep your fingers warm in the colder months. And then moving on to the left, you have your trailer brake controller, you have your 4x4 controls with 4 auto, and you have your light controls. Then moving on to your center, your infotainment screen, which is, I believe, radio, Sirius, CD, auxiliary, and Bluetooth. So you have quite a few options there for whatever you want to listen to. And you have your Bluetooth phone controls, and then you have your navigation screens. You're hopefully not going to get lost on your travels. But then shifting into reverse, you do have a backup camera, so you're going to be able to see where you're going and hopefully avoid hitting anything. Moving down from that, you have your media controls and then your climate controls here with dual zone front climate. And you also have heated and air-conditioned front seats, so you can stay comfortable no matter the weather or climate. Then down below that, you have your adjustable foot pedals, you have your traction control shut off, your box cargo lights, your park assist sensor shut off, and your lane keeping system. Do also have here 3 USBs, it's a lot. You have 2 12-volt power outlets and a 110 or 115 volt power outlet there. Moving on to your column shifter real quick, which does have select shift, so you can manually shift through your gears, and your tow haul mode button at the end of the stock there. And then looking at your whole center console, you have your 2 cup holders, which can be kind of taken out and moved around if you want to have some hidden compartments down there for storage. That's cool too. You have your center compartment / armrest, which is very spacious, has a removable tray, and inside you have 2 USBs, your auxiliary SD card slot, and a 12-volt power outlet, as well as a ton of room for all of your stuff. And then looking back, you have a power sliding rear window. And last but not least, you have a power moonroof up top so you can land in the sunshine. But that should cover our look at the interior. So now if you're interested, feel free to give us a call at 250-563-8111, or just come on down to the dealership and have a look for yourself, and have a nice day.